We will review the process of long division using whole numbers. So we're able to apply this process to algebraic expressions. So here we're trying to divide 3 into 823. So we simply ask ourselves, how many times does 3 divide into 8? And it goes in twice. So we write a 2, and then we multiply. The 2 and the 3 gives us a 6, and then we subtract. We drop this digit, giving us a 2. And then we ask ourselves, how many times does 3 go into 22? Goes in 7 times. We multiply the 3 and the 7, giving us a 21. Subtracting, we get a 1. And then we drop the last digit, giving us a 13. So now we must divide 3 into 13, which gives us a 4. And we multiply the 4 and the 3, giving us a 12. Subtracting, we get a 1. So to see all the different parts of this, we know that 274, this is our quotient. And down here, the 1 is our remainder. So when we divide 823, want to divide this by 3, the answer is the quotient, 274, with the remainder over the divisor, or 1/3. If we were to enter this into a calculator, we would get 274 with a repeating decimal. So to review this process, let's just kind of step back and see what happened here. The first thing we did, well, we divided 3 into 8. So that's our first step. We divide. Our next step is we multiplied, right? When we multiplied the 2 and the 3, giving us a 6. And then from there, we were able to do a subtraction. And then the next step was we dropped a digit. And then from there, we repeated the process. So now we will use this process for algebraic expressions.